What's the meaning of courtesy light? Courtesy light. Courtesy light.
Courtesy light. Courtesy light. A courtesy light is a small, typically interior light in an automobile or aircraft that turns on automatically when a door is opened, providing a low level of illumination to assist the occupants in entering or exiting the vehicle. The light is designed to be unobtrusive and not interfere with the driver's vision. It can also be activated by a switch if needed. Overall, the courtesy light is a helpful and practical feature that provides convenience and safety to passengers.